In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Calendly watermark. Calendly is a powerful tool for scheduling meetings and managing your time. But sometimes, you may want to customize your booking page to make it feel more professional and aligned with your personal or company branding. One way to do this is by removing the default Calendly branding, giving your booking page a cleaner, more polished appearance. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to do that. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully personalized booking experience that reflects your brand. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and follow along. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and locate your avatar icon. That's the small profile image, or initial representing your account. Go ahead and click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select the option labeled Branding. This will take you to the customization settings where you can adjust how your booking page looks and feels. Now, look for the toggle switch labeled Use Calendly Branding. By default, this toggle is usually switched on, meaning the Calendly branding is visible on your booking page. To turn it off, simply slide the toggle to the left. This action removes the Calendly branded elements, such as the Powered by Calendly banner, from your booking page. This step is important because it helps create a more streamlined and professional appearance for your visitors. After adjusting the toggle, be sure to click the Save Changes button. This step ensures that the changes you've made are applied immediately. Without saving, the adjustments won't take effect, so don't skip this part. Next, you'll want to verify that the branding has been successfully removed. Open your booking page and check to see if the Powered by Calendly banner is no longer visible. If you don't see it, congratulations, this means the branding has been successfully disabled. But we're not done yet. To take your personalization one step further, go ahead and review your confirmation and notification emails. These are the emails that your invitees receive when booking a meeting with you. Check to make sure they now display your profile picture instead of the default Calendly logo. This small touch adds a layer of personalization and makes your communication feel more professional and tailored to your brand. If you're part of a larger organization or team, there's one more thing to keep in mind. Reach out to your organization's owner and confirm that the Apply to All Users option is disabled. If this setting is turned on at the organizational level, the Calendly branding might still appear on your booking page, even after you've made these changes. So if you notice the branding reappearing, double-check with your organization's admin to ensure everything is set up correctly. And that's it. You've now successfully removed the Calendly watermark and customized your booking page to better reflect your personal or business brand. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.